Hello guys, today we're gonna do turtle drawing. So first we're gonna do from turtle import. So make sure to do this. Then we're gonna do. Make sure to do this the American way. Color. I'll just go with my favorite color. Width. No. Width. Then we're gonna do shape. Can do shape. But you can do basically in shape. You can do turtle. You can do shape turtle. You can do shape arrow, shape circle, shape square, shape triangle, and shape classic. But I'm gonna go with turtle. Then we're gonna do speed 5. Then we're gonna do pen size 4. Then we're gonna do this. For 50. Then we're gonna do white 90. Then we're gonna do forward 50. Then white 90. Then forward 50. Then white 90. Last but not least, forward 50. And now we're gonna see a square. If you can see it, I'll just do this to 1 and boom, you have your square. And on the screen you can see how to do other shapes, other shapes. And you can also change this to class. You can change it to classic. And if you want that, you can see that it's classic. And then you can change it to triangle, arrow, circle, triangle, classic, and turtle. So, bye everyone!